guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are in Goodwood because there is a track day here, and I thought I'd come down and visit and just enjoy the scenery and enjoy the cars as usual. Left my M2 here with good company, and M8 240i 7 series and a DB11 just here. But yeah, I hope you guys still enjoy the content I'm putting out. It's mainly car events, car shows, car meets. Haven't done any M2 related videos, but check this out. Gorgeous DB11. Never no more hit me up. You said you're gonna give me a test drive. Okay, that's an inside joke. So this is SCC private members. Follow them on Instagram. Caterham. We got A45S right here. So many cars right now. I don't even know where to point my camera. There you go. A45. Oh, creme de la creme 488 Pista. My goodness, this is gorgeous. Love the color. Can't get too close. So let's keep going with the walk around. Oh, love the GTR 720S. Now this is definitely a dream car. If I make it, this is definitely one of the cars, or the only car I would get. Look at it, 720S. Yeah, it's amazing. Of course, got Ferrari right here. Again, not gonna know what Ferrari this is. I might move my car here, you know, between the 720S and the nice Porsche here, 911 720S. Nice. Okay, Roma. First time I've seen the flesh. Looks pretty cool. It's long as well. Just gonna keep my camera rolling when this McLaren decides to. That's gorgeous. Spitfire. Up. F8 Tributo. Is that 720 we saw earlier? Oh, we have a beauty right here. Oh, 4GT. Yep. This. I'm gonna wait for this starting up.